Hey there, my name is Caleb. In today's movie, I'm going to talk about networking. So, networking, as we understand it, is the kryptonite of the tech world. Everything in tech revolves around networking. And in this short movie, I'm going to show you or give you a glimpse into how computers communicate with one another. So, without wasting time, let's dive right into it. So, for this illustration, I'm going to be using my Cisco packet tracer. So, that's what I have here on my screen. So, I'm just going to start by bringing up a switch. So I'm going to click on the switch category, and for that switch category I'm going to bring on a 2960 switch. So I'm just going to drag it and put it on my work area, and then I'm going to grab two computers as well. So I have my PC session here. I'm going to grab computer 1, drop it down here, and then drag computer 2, drop it down here. So now I need to connect these computers together. So I'm going to go on this lightning bolt to select my cable. So I'm going to pick a copper straight through. So you see it's coming with me. I'm going to click on this computer, select the fast Ethernet 0, and then drop it on the switch on fast Ethernet 01. I'm going to do the same thing on the other computer. Click on it, click on this computer, fast Ethernet 0, and then drop it on the switch, which I have here. So you can see these devices are trying to negotiate. They are trying to establish connection with one another. It's not successful yet. That's why I have these orange dots here. So you see that when it gets successful, the orange dots are going to change to green arrows, more or less. But in the meantime, we know that devices will not be able to talk to one another unless they have IP addressing. So you can see here I have connection between this PC and this switch, and this one here is still trying to establish connection. So but in the meantime, what I want to do is to give them IP addressing. So I'm going to click on this first computer here, click on the desktop, and then go to my IP configuration. So I'm just going to use a class C IP address, private IP address. So I'm going to say 192.168.1.2, and then 1.1. Let me begin with that, and then I'm going to touch the tab to accept the default mask for that class C private IP address. So I'm going to click on this, close here, and then close this one up here. So I'll do the same thing for the second PC. Click on it, go on the desktop, and then click on the IP configuration, give it an IP address. This time I'm going to say 192.168.1.2, and then touch tab to accept the default subnet mask for that IP address. So I'm going to click on this to close it, click on this to close it. So you can see where I had the orange dots, now I have green arrows. So now these computers have established connection with one another. And you see computers are very social, so they like talking, so they usually talk to one another. So I just want to demonstrate that for you. So for that, I'm going to come down here, click on where it says simulation, and I will go up here and click on this closed envelope that says I should add a simple PDU. So I'm going to click on it, and you see the envelope is following me. So I'm going to click on this PC and then click on this PC. So I have my simulation area here. So let me expand it. Let's see what we have. As you can see, I have an ICMP and an app. So these computers are basically trying to know one another. So it's like one of them is saying to the other, hello, how are you? Are you there? What's your name? Introduce yourself to me. Just keep it things really simple. So, but let's take a closer look at what happens when or let's just try to see what happens now that it appears that I have connectivity along this network. So I'm just going to come down here and click on the play. I want to see what these computers are saying to one another. So I'm going to click on the play. As you can see, I have this one sending a message across the network trying to reach the other computer. So basically saying, hello, how are you? Can I get to know you and stuff like that. So the bottom line is that computers like talking to one another. They are very social. So more or less, unlike me, maybe I should take a cue from there. I'm not sure, so sure at all. I'm more of a lone wolf. So maybe I should take a cue from computers and more or less live the old-fashioned way of life. But who knows? I most likely wouldn't do that. And let's see. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one.